Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of Lesson with EBEN Media. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to play a dominant seven chord, a dominant seven drop two chord. Okay, and then how to apply them in your strings to sound like a pro instantly. So pay attention as I play the strings, and I'm going to add some dominant seven chords. Semi Mami Bambaya, Oya Mecha, Owasu, Onauni, Yami, Sami Bue, Manua, Mami Bambaya, Oya Mecha, Owasu, Onauni, Yami. All right, so you might wonder, and then you are going to ask yourself, what is a dominant seven chord? So a dominant seven chord composed of a root chord, a major triad, a perfect fifth, and then a minor seventh chord. So basically, if we play a do in the key of F, okay, we are playing in the key of F. If we play a do, this is our root, our major third, and then our perfect fifth. Okay, so basically, the root chord. Okay, that is what we mostly call it. This is the root chord. Okay, and then we add the minor seven. So if we add the do, if we add this key, then we are getting an F7 chord. Okay, one F dominant seven. You've been playing this many times. Okay, so you play the root chord, then you add the minor seventh note, which is the do. The same way when we play a so chord, and then we add in the, so now this 5 is a C major chord. Okay, it's a C major chord. Now we are going to add the minor 7. The minor 7 is this in the key of C, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, and this is the minor 7. Okay, so the minor scale in the key of C is, okay, and then we add a 7 to it. Okay, is it clear? So this is our minor 7 in the minor scale. We add the minor 7 to it. Is it clear? So if you are playing in F, our F major chord, we add the do. If you play a so, we add the do. If we play a D major chord, this is a D major chord. Okay, now let's find the minor 7th chord of the D major chord. The minor 7th note, which is this. Do, do, ti, do, do, ti, do. So do, you play the major chord, then you add the do or the minor 7th note. Is it clear? So the same context apply to all the keys. You play the root, the major, and the perfect fifth, and then you add the minor 7th chord. So you play the root chord, then you add the minor 7th chord. Okay. Now let's get into it. How to apply them. So basically, semi we are going to progress to a re chord. Okay, without any passing chord, you are going to progress straight to the 2. Semi Now let's add a dominant 7 as a passing chord. So we are progressing to a 2 chord, which is our re. We are going to find the 5 of this key we are progressing to. We are progressing to this note here, a G. So we are going to find the so of G, which is do, re, and the 5 of G is a D. So we play the dominant 7 of the D chord. So this is our D major chord. So we add the minor 7th, which is the C note. We are getting a D7 chord. Okay. We are getting a D dominant 7. Is it clear? Then we progress, we use this as a passing chord to the 2. So semi bue. So let me break down the chord. Left hand is doing a D, F sharp, A, and a C. And right hand is doing D, F sharp, A, and a C. The same thing. So you can choose to drop the A. Okay. It's still a D7 chord. Okay, so we now have D, F sharp, and a C. D, F sharp, and a C. Okay, then to our 2. So semi bue manoa namibo. I'm going to play a C7 chord because I'll be progressing to the F key here. I'll be progressing to the F key here. Is it clear? So the theory is to find the 5 of the chord you are going to resort to, of which I'm going to play F. So I'll find the 5 of F, which is do, re, mi, fa, so. So the 5 of F, we all know is a C. So we'll play the C root chord, then we add the minor 7. Then I'll drop the second highest note, kind of drop 2s. Okay. So I'm using this as a passing chord to the Do. Okay. So the theory is to find the 5 of the chord you are going to progress to. Okay, so I'm progressing to a 2. So I first played a D7. I want to play a passing chord to the F key, so I'll play and I'll play F7 chord again. Okay. So here we are doing a C on left hand, E, B flat. Then we do the same thing on the right hand, C, E, B flat. We're having a C7 chord. So now let me add the passing chords to it. Semi bue nami bue. See, I'm kind of playing a lot of 7. Okay, so I'm progressing to a 2. So a D7 chord to the Re. Okay, so left hand voice, and I'm doing a G7. Okay. So now we want to add more to it. First of all, we did. So we want to still play a passing chord to the D. So now the 5 of D is A. Okay. The 5 of D key, or the so of the D key, is A. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Okay. So now we are going to play an A7 chord. So what is the approach? Play your root chord and then add the minor 7, which is a G note. Do, ti, do. So basically you find the do of the key. So we are in key A now. Do, ti, do. Okay, then you drop the second highest note here. So you can use this as a passing chord to the D7. Okay. So left hand is doing A, C sharp, a G, and the right hand is doing A, C sharp, G. So I'm going to play it. Pay attention very well. Semi you have to be very quick. Semi Okay. So the approach is just find the 5 of the key you are going to resort to, and then you play the dominant 7 of that key. You play the root, and then you add the minor 7 to get your dominant 7 chord. Then use it as a passing chord to that chord you are going to resort to. So I'm resorting to a 2. I find the 5 of 2, which is a D. I play the root. I add the 7. Then you drop the second highest note. I want to resort to a Do. So I'm going to find the 5 of the F, which is a C. I play the C major chord. I add the minor 7, and you drop the second highest note. Okay. So to a G7 chord, because I'll be playing T, and in the key of F, you can play this, your C7 chord as your T, okay? So you find the 5 of C, which is a G, then you play the G7. So you've been playing this, okay, you play it as Phi. What is the theory behind it? Sami get it. It's very basic. It's very simple to just understand it. Just use the concept. Once you're able to get the concept, you'll be able to play it. You find the 5 of the key you are going to resort to. You want to come to a Re. So you find the 5 of this G minor, which is a D. You play the major. Then add the minor 7, which is the C. In this contest, then we drop the second highest note. Okay, so passing chord to a 2, and C7 as a passing chord to the 1, and then G7 as a passing chord to the C7. that's the theory of a dominant 7 chord and how to use them. Kindly subscribe to the channel, drop your song request right below in the comment section, and if you find any challenges in comprehending this lesson, do not hesitate to DM me. Okay, I'll drop my number right below in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, hit on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new content.